Hi everyone, it's Tammy and it's time for my monthly hero box unboxing. And this is a monthly subscription box that I order. I think it's $35 a month, and every month they send you goodies, and they do show you what you're getting if you are interested. I don't know if you can skip a month or not. I've never have, but they do show you if you're interested. I just never look, so there's that. Let's see, does it tell me? Yes, it's $35, and you can go to myheroarts.com to sign up. And this is the February box, so it looks like I got a new Hero Arts catalog for 2018. That looks nice. I'm excited to go through that, especially since I sell Stampin' Up! I can compare some things. And this says thank you for your order, and there's free shipping on every $50 order. Very cute, very cute, very cute, and very nice. And so each kit every month, if you guys haven't seen me open a kit before, it comes with lots of fun things. And if you go to heroarts.com, you can see project ideas as well. So look at these. That's kind of cool. Looks like little bird nests or something. And it probably is, because look. And it usually comes with a big thing of stamps and some die cuts, which are probably back here. Look at all those dies. My goodness. So it comes with the stamps and the dies, and then it comes with paper, and usually the paper is amazing. Sometimes it feels like it's handmade, and I think it is. And then you get inks, and just, I mean, it's just fun. So here are the inks. I got 3 colors, obviously. I won't share with you what they are because you can see, I'm sure. I'm a dingbat. So I don't know what these exactly are supposed to be, but they look like little bird nests to me. I mean, but there's no base. But, I mean, they're kind of cool. And then this piece of paper has like wood printed on it. And then on the other side, it's just plain. And it looks like we get 2 of those. And then we get 2 of these darker ones, which also look like wood or a tree. So that's pretty cool to go with the beautiful, I don't know if they're beautiful, to go with the birds. Now, I'm not huge into birds, honestly. And these are all solid birds, so, but they're cute. I mean, I think that I might like it. They're all solid, which is interesting. There's like no outlines. You would just make it a solid color, or you could, you know, you could do whatever you wanted. And there's cute sentiments. Love you. Hey, girlfriend. What's the word? Bird is the word. Thanks. Happy birthday. Hi there. Chirping on you. Sending hugs. Tweet. So happy for you. You are one cool chick. Sending you sunshine. Congrats. Spread your wings and feel better soon. So that's pretty cool. And I mean, I really like that you get all of these dies to go with. Looks like there's one probably for every bird, and all of these extra things, the music notes, the flower, the butterfly, another flower, and a heart, because I see the music notes and the flower. That looks like a butterfly. I don't know what that is. Another flower, a heart. That looks like a leaf. I don't know if there's a leaf that I missed. Oh, yeah, right here. So that's pretty cool. So that is my kit for this month for February, and we shall see what I do with it. It's always a challenge for me to actually use it every month and show you guys something. I'm bad about it. I don't know why. I don't want to be a collector, but that's sometimes what I feel like. I mean, especially for $35 a month, that's, to buy something and not use it, that's just dumb. So there we go. That's what I got. So thanks for watching, guys, and have a great day. Bye-bye.